Hey everyone, it's Carrie B, and today I'm going to show you a kit hack with the ProLongWear Concealer by MAC. So you may or may not know that this is one of my favorite products. I use this actually as my foundation every day. It's long wearing, it has a natural matte finish, I don't have to powder it. There's just a lot of benefits, and as a makeup artist, it's great because it's small. It comes in a pump, so it's pretty hygienic, and I don't have to dip Q-tips and things inside of it to get the product out, which I love. It does come in glass, which can be troublesome sometimes when you're working with your kit, but I find that in my foundation bag, it sits really well, and I have zero problems with breakage. However, one thing that people ask me about all the time is how to get the bottom part out when you're almost done with it and there's still a little bit in the bottom and it won't come out of the pump. Well, I finally figured out how to do that. The trick, it seems, if you guys are not familiar with the delivery system, it is a small pump and it does not screw off. It's like a pop off, but it's impossible to get it off with the cap off. So what you need is the cap of the product and my favorite tool, which is the Spatty Daddy. This is the Spatty Daddy Jr., I think. Generally, you guys may have seen this on Shark Tank, but there are two little spatulas that were actually made to get out all that little tiny bit of product at the bottom of your cosmetic products, you know, whether that's foundation or moisturizers or what have you. So I love this thing, and actually if you go to my Amazon page, which I will link in the video, I have it on there, so you can go and purchase it from my page, which would be great. It's not expensive. I think it's $10 for both of them, and it's a very, very useful tool you'll find. So here's what you need. The cap, the product, a towel, and basically you just take the towel, hold the bottom, and pop it off gently, and it snaps right off with no breakage. And then you can take out the pump and you can use your Spatty Daddy to get in there and get all of the bottom product. Now, this is a newer bottle, so I apologize that I can't demo the scraping out, but I will show you just a little bit here. This fits right in, the little bit of coaxing. And then I'm gonna waste some product here, but basically you can scoop into the bottom and get all of your product out. Well, I hope that tip helped you. I know for me, it was a very exciting moment when I figured out how to get the stuff out of the bottom of my bottle, because I do use this product so often. And one of my fellow coworkers was like, just put the cap on. And I thought, what do you mean? And then I quickly figured out what they were talking about. You need the leverage of the cap to keep from breaking the bottle. So I hope this was helpful. Please leave me a comment. Please subscribe. Let me know what else you'd like to see. And I hope you're liking my new digs. I did move recently, so I've been in the process of setting up this room, and that's why there's been very few videos as of late. But I'm excited to do some more, so let me know, and I will talk to you soon. Stay beautiful.